Now we'll see how to embed an image. So we'll write this is an image and we save it. This is an image, put a br tag, so the image should start from the next line. An image tag is a self-closing tag, so what we'll say img, sorry, brackets img and self-closing tag. So we'll do like this and save it, but nothing appears because we haven't provided the source. So we'll say src. Src means where the file is, where from where I have to show the file, and here we'll give the destination. So I am in the file where is the picture is. So you can see this is my index.html file, index.html, and here the picture is also of a bird, bird.jpg. So I'll just use that bird pic. I'll say source bird bird.jpg, save it, and the image appears. So that's the beauty of src. But if I write alt stands for alternative and bird, so it tells the SEO page, if someone is searching for bird, so they can just directly look in the alternative and know, okay, this was a bird image. But and in case the spelling, there is a spelling mistake in the file name, or the file is not accessible. Suppose this is a spelling mistake and the file will not longer will be accessible. If I save it, so the bird will appear automatically telling, okay, there was an image that is not being shown due to some error, but it was an bird. Okay, so that's the beauty of it. If I remove this alternative, it's like a no, okay, I haven't removed, it's like a normal image is not being shown. And if I just make it like this, it will say bird, and if I show the bird, it will be gone. If you want to give a description, so you give like long desk, and you can write uh this was an bird. If we want to give something like this, but nobody uses this. Okay, everyone uses alt only, and they write whatever they want to write alt. But if you want to give long description, you can use this tag also, long description tag. Suppose you want to give the height and width of this, so we'll say HEIGST height, and we'll say 400. 400 means px, pixels. Save it. So height got increased. If I'll say width 300, it got stretched. Okay, like squeezed. And if I decrease the height also to 200, so now like this, now image look proper. So you can play with width and height also. So if you want to use some other image which is on website, so we'll say Avenger, Google Images. I'll go to images. Okay, this image I want to use, so just click it on and say copy image address return. Just copy the image address, and you can just paste the image address in the URL, and if you click it, the file will appear, like picture will. So this is the way you can like copy the image address. And if you want to use the same address, instead of bird.jpg, just give like this and save it. Now see, it automatically appears. Now in alternative, I'll say Avengers, and now height I'll increase by 400, and width I'll say also 400, or height I'll say 6/4. Okay, so now the Avengers pics appear. So this is the way like you can put the alternative of in the pic. If pic is not appear, so if there's some mistake like 4, pic will not be accessible, so it will say it was an Avengers pic. And if something well, so it will be look like this, and you can play with height and width of the image. So that was about image tag.